Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means the world to me, and I hope more people can learn from the video. In this video, we will try to implement high-precision collision detection for all platforms in our game. First, we need to create a new variable which stores the player's current jump distance. It is calculated using the formula which we have created earlier. We need to substitute the variable with the formula below it, so we don't need to change the formula everywhere. And now we will plug in the logic for collision that we have created here, but don't copy yet. I'm not really sure that it will work, but we will try. If it doesn't, we will try to fix it afterwards. And yeah, it doesn't work when jumping, so we need to fix it. After a while, I actually created a new logic to detect the collision at a higher precision so that the player does not pass through the platform when the jump distance is very large. It's quite complicated, but just follow along. This should be gravity as well. This loop actually checks every pixel of distance and see if the player passes through the platform or not, and not just the whole distance. Great, so now we will check it out and see if it works. Yeah, and now it should be working fine. This might not be the best way, but everyone has their own way of doing this, so feel free to play around with the logic. And I forgot to mention, I just added all the platforms together so it will be easier to check the collisions. Time to remove this as well. Great, it's working fine. Here's more demo. So, in the next video, we will see how we can add image to platform. Thank you.